What is going on, everybody? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is my unboxing of the new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro gaming laptop. Now, in terms of the box design, it is very basic. So we have the Merc looking logo here, then the Lenovo branding on the left. So let's take a quick look at the box. So on the left hand side we have the Legion branding. At the back of the box it is pretty much plain. We've got a sticker here. Now this is because it didn't come in any kind of protective packaging. All the stickers were on it directly, so I had to peel them off. Now on the right hand side we have some of the key specs. Starting off with the CPU, it has the new AMD Ryzen 7 5800H CPU, 16GB of RAM, a massive 1TB of SSD storage, the new RTX 3070 GPU, a 16-inch Quad HD display, a 4-cell battery, and it comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home. Okay, so we have the laptop on the left hand side. It is protected quite firmly with these foam pads. And then this contains the charger. So firstly we have the 3-pin to kettle plug lead. Then there are two stickers there with the Legion logos. And then at the bottom we have the charging brick. And I'll just put this box to a side and I'll take the charging brick out. So here is the brick, and it's not small at all. The charging brick is rated at 300 watts. Obviously it is expected to power the 3070 GPU. And you can see this wire here, it is attached permanently. It's not something you can take off. As for the dimensions of the brick, it is 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters. It is quite big, but obviously it is powering a powerful laptop. As for the charging connector, this is a proprietary. You may be able to see it here. I have also read that it supports charging with USB Type-C power delivery. Okay, so let's move on to the laptop. And I'll just get rid of these foams. And again, it is protected quite nicely, not a plastic covering. And here is the laptop in all its full glory. And I have to say, it looks very nice and it is very heavy at the same time. So on the left hand side we have nice fan grills here, a USB Type-C port and a headphone jack. Then we have speakers there. Then on the right hand side we have a switch to enable and disable the camera. And then we have a USB Type-A port and then the fan grill. Then at the back it gets very serious. We have a lot of ports here. So we have the RJ45 port. Again we have another USB Type-C port, two USB-A ports, a HDMI port, USB-A again, and then the charging port. Then there are two fan exhausts so it can let all the hot air out. Then on the bottom again we've got a mesh here so it can breathe nicely. As for the screws, this is a mini Phillips, so it should be easy to open it. And yeah, this laptop is really heavy. As for opening it with one hand, here you can see it opens very easily without any problem at all. And the flex, there is minimal flex there, but it's not as bad as other laptops out there. So here is the keyboard layout. It is spread all across the chassis, making use of every single space. As for the power button, it is right bang in the middle on the top. As for the typing, it feels very good. I like it so far. As for the number keypads, we do have it on the right hand side, as well as the arrow keys, a nice big trackpad. Then on the left hand side you have the usual AMD and Nvidia stickers. And I just want to show you the camera. So it is on the top. There is no physical flap here, which is a shame, but you can also disable it with that switch that I showed you a little earlier on the video. So that does it for this quick unboxing video. If you have found it useful, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, including a review. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.